Hello, everyone that's out there. This is Amanda Wray coming to you with a live video. I'm going to turn the light on here, make it a little bright. For those who haven't been following me, I am a single mom of two, and I earn a full-time income online utilizing Facebook and a done-for-you funnel. And I'm going to talk about that funnel today. For those who are subscribed to my channel, sorry I haven't been around, but my laptop had no volume. So I finally got it fixed today, and I'm excited about that. So what I want to do is I want to basically have a conversation with everyone about this done-for-you system that I've been using and how I'm earning a full-time income with it. And also, if you want to become my Facebook friend, you can go in and put my name in, and it will take you directly to my Facebook profile. You can send me a friend request, and I will go ahead and accept that friend request. So the company that I'm working with is called the Power Lead System, and the Power Lead System has been around for over 8 years, paying out every single week. Today was payday, and what we do is we show people how to generate leads utilizing the Power Lead System to get consistent commissions to your bank account, or you can get it to a debit card. So right now, in the last 2 weeks, I was able to, I bought in a total of $1,114.24. And what I can do is just click here on this button and have this money deposited directly into my account by logging in to Paylutions, which is where they allow you to go ahead and receive your payments, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Transfer funds, hit continue, confirm, and then I'm all set to go. Transferred funds. So with the Power Lead System, there's different levels that you could come in at. The goal being the lowest, it's $53 per month. The next level is the diamond level, which is a one-time payment of $147. The Social Profit Academy, which is a one-time payment of $497, and a Master Traffic Institute, which is one-time payment of $1497. And when you become a member, depending on what level you come in at, it allows you to get certain commissions based off of the level that you're at, and you also get training on how to leverage the opportunity and run massive traffic to your link, okay? When you sign up at the Diamond, Platinum, or Master Traffic Institute level, I will set up the funnel for you. I would explain exactly how to start getting commissions and how to start running traffic. And there's 2 ways you can run traffic to get people to sign up with you. You can do it for free, utilizing social media, which can be Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or you can do paid methods, which is what I do most of the time, which is by clicks that is sent to my link. And as people see the information, they sign up to get involved in the program. This is like the easiest way to earn a full-time income online. If I go into my commissions earned for the year, I bought in a total of almost $62,000 for the year. And in the end of last year, I started September of 2017. I had bought in close to $9,300, okay? So this just goes to show you that it actually pays. It's a great program. It's been around for a while, so you don't have to worry about waking up and it's not here anymore. And it's a wonderful system, easy to duplicate, and very newbie friendly. So if you want more information, you can click in the description below, and it will give you more information about this program and also how to contact me if you have any questions. So thanks so much for viewing my video. Have a great week. Stay inspired. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Have a great night.